The diagonals AC and BD of a parallelogram ABCD intersects each other at point O. So let's draw a diagram. So we're looking at parallelogram. So let's draw a parallelogram. Try to recall what are the properties of a parallelogram. What all do we have? Yes, we have the opposite sides to be equal in length and parallel. Okay, so we have this to be, say, A, B, C, D. They are already given that. So we have the opposite sides to be equal and parallel. So let's mention that. Then the diagonal AC and BD of the parallelogram intersects each other at point O. So we have this to be point O. And we have DAC. This particular angle is equal to 32 degree. And AOB, this is 70 degree. We have to find DBC. This is how much? That's the question. Quite simple. We can find AOD to be equal to 110. And using angle sum property, we'll be able to find ADB. And so we'll be able to find DBC as well. Okay, why is that? Think about it. It's quite simple. So let me start the working. So I'll try to keep it short. We have angle AOD plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. They are angles on a straight line, if not linear pair. So we have this to be equal to 70 degree. And so we have therefore angle AOD is equal to 110. Right? And then we have what? We have in triangle AOD, we have angle AOD plus angle DODA plus angle DAO. All of them are equal to 180 degree. Again, the reason, yes, angle sum property of triangle, angle sum property of a triangle. Then what is the next thing we have? We need to substitute and stuff. So we have angle ADO is equal to 180 minus 110 is 170. Sorry, what am I telling? 70 degree. 70 and 30 is 40, 38 degree. Is that correct? I hope I am correct. This would be 70. Yeah, that's correct. And now the last thing is angle DBC, which we have to find, is equal to angle ADO. All of them are equal to 38 degree, which is the answer. But why? Because we have AD is parallel to BC, the opposite sides of a parallelogram. And we have this to be a pair of alternative interior angles, right? If you're not able to see that, please have a look at this now. So we have this line to be parallel to this. Okay, and then we have this to be a transversal line. So let me make it a bit bold. Are you guys able to see that? So I'm telling basically this angle is equal to this angle. Does that make sense? Okay, and that would be your answer. That's it. So you can pause and have a look.